This is a product review for the Fiskars weed puller. As you can see, this thing looks a little worn. I've been putting it to good use. I've had it for a few years. And the way it works is you find a weed you're interested in pulling up. For instance, here. And these 4 spikes, you find the tap root of the weed, and you want to center it over that, like so, and then you step on it, and when you pull up, it's just leverage. Of course, you got to get the tap root. Might have to take a couple of shots at that, and then you just pull it up, and there it is. It pulls it up by the root. It pinches. And then you can eject it, kind of like a shotgun shell. This slides up and down. This will eject it, so when you step on it, and it's hard to do this one-handed. Here we go. And that pinches it. You want to get it ejected, you just grab this and that ejects it. So let me show you some other examples. Here's another one. Step on it. Like I say, you got to get the taproot pinched in between, and then it comes up. And you just eject it like that. It really saves your back a lot of strain. Here's another one. Boom. Step on it. Pull it up. Sometimes there's 2 together. You gotta, but it keeps you from having to get down on your knees. And here's one of these nasty thistles that sprout stainless steel thorns in its younger phase of life. The best way to deal with any weed is to pull them up by their root. But if you don't want to wear your back out and knees by getting down on your hands and knees all the time, this is a back saver, a knee saver, and everything else. Now these are pretty weedy, woody weeds, but if you want to try them on your dandelions, they work really good. Most people are probably going to use them for that. So here's a dandelion. And there you go. It's the best weed I've ever used. And my back thanks me. Your back will thank you too.